Hi guys, it's Rachelle from Monolink Furniture in wet and miserable Sydney, and the birds are so noisy. Anyway, today we're going to be transforming this pretty miserable looking piece, to be honest. Definitely boring. Stick with me, let's see what I do. As always, I don't know what I'm doing the rest of the piece, but I do know that I want this top sanded. So I've got my Festool RO150. This is really powerful. That's the top done. Now I'm going to have a go at the sides, and for this I'm using my RO90. I love this one, so it's got the detail attachment and the round attachment. What I want to do now is get some legs on this girl. It's a little bit boring as it is. So these are legs, feet that I got off eBay a while ago, and they came with these plates. So all I'm going to do with these sorts, there's lots of different sorts. Sometimes you have a bolt there that you have to then screw into that. I find these easier. Basically you attach this to that, and then you attach that to that. So I want it to sit a little bit in, not right on the corner, not right on the edge. So I'm going to go with this hole here. All attached. Now I'm just ready to screw that into here. So my original plan for this piece was to take the back off, paint it a different colour, possibly white, and then paint the rest of it. Well, I didn't know what colour the rest of it was going to be, but the back is panelled, so if I take that off it's going to come apart, so that's not an option. So my next plan is to paint the entire piece in Dixie Belle Farmhouse Green, and then on the back I'm going to apply transfers from Redesign by Prima. This is one of their new designs. This one is called Avion Sanctuary, and then this other one is all birds. I love birds. This one is called Garden Marvels. I'm not sure where or how I'm going to place these, but that's my plan. I've done the usual prep. I've scuff sanded, I've cleaned with white lightning, I've rinsed off the white lightning. Now I'm good to paint. I'm using my sleek 38mm brush, my Dixie Belle paint, which is the chalk mineral, and I'm getting stuck in. What do you think of the colour, guys? Is it a yay or a nay for you? Comment below, please. You know I love hearing your comments. I know I say this a lot because I am quite fickle, but this is my new favourite colour. It's beautiful. If you haven't tried Dixie Belle Chalk Farmhouse Green, my suggestion to you is get it, because I'm about to order a truckload of it, and I might do everything in my house this colour. Fact. For those interested in seeing more, you might actually like to look at becoming a member. It's $5.99 a month, and for that you get exclusive content. It's not always about furniture, but sometimes you just get to have a giggle at me. That's got to be worth $5.99 a month, surely. That's the painting done. Now I need to get this top done. So I want to go for a light whitewash look. So what I'm going to do is use Dixie Belle White Magic, but I'm going to water it down because I don't want it white. I want a whitewash look. I want to spray the piece a lot. So this in effect will water it down. It'll also give me more movement. I'm using a Dixie Belle Gator Hide Sponge. Here we go. Watch this magic. I'm going to do the same to the feet. So I want to keep it all light. Then I just need to add now transfers to the side and the back. Don't forget to subscribe, please, guys. I love you forever. Easy, and you use next to nothing. You can also do that if you don't have a white magic. You can just use white chalk pen and water it right down, something like 20 to 1. What I'm now going to do is put a transfer here and on the top shelf at the back. So first off, I'm going to use this beautiful, and I don't say that lightly, this transfer from Redesign with Prima. This has got peacocks on and birds and everything. It is stunning. So I'm going to put these on the side. I'm not sure how much of it. We'll see how we go. I'll play it by ear like I always do. And then at the back of the top shelf, I'm going to use these. Again, it's Redesign with Prima. And look at them. The designs are just absolutely beautiful. So you've got the birds as individuals and then the branches. So you sort of make your own picture up. I like that because what that means is even if someone else uses the same transfer as you, it can look very different because you've made up your own picture from it. So that's my plan. I'm really excited about this. So let's have a look. I need to cut one out. What I love about the Redesign transfers, and it's something really simple, but it's got these lines on, and it just really helps you to both keep it straight on the piece and when you're cutting. Oh man, this is just beautiful. Look. Oh my word. That's going to look so beautiful with that green, isn't it? So I've put the first one on, so I'm starting it from the base. Now I'm going to go with the second sheet, and these actually run on. So you can see when I place that, it's just going to be a continuous picture. Gorgeous. And then up here I may put some single things, some branches or something, but we'll see. Tell me your thoughts, guys. What do you think? Do you like it? Have I gone too far? Is it too much? Is it not enough? Tell me. What do you think? If you haven't done so already, please take the time to like the video and comment with any questions or tips. You know, I love getting tips. This also helps the algorithm and so helps to push out my videos to a wider audience. Plus, I really love waking up to all your gorgeous comments in the morning. I know I say this all the time, but I love it. This colour is beautiful. That transfer is beautiful. Whilst we're looking at these final picks too, I just want to give a shout out to Sydney Rugs Online because they actually reached out to me and sent me this rug, which is perfect. It's 3 meters long, so it enables me to stage large pieces easily. Thanks to all the brands that are supporting me. It really is appreciated. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and I'll see you next time. Take care, guys.